ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Hello children, I heartily welcome you all to Samveda E-classes. Today we will learn about class 4th, subject English, second language, unit 7, professions. In this unit, topic is what God does, part 2 of 3. Facilitator myself Kashifa Anjum, GUHPS Ashapur Road, Raichur. I hope you all are ready with your textbook, notebook, pencil and eraser. Okay. In this session, we will learn about story, new words, lesson and some textual exercises. Dear children, now we will watch a story. Listen it carefully. Later, I will ask you some questions.
Once upon a time, there was a boy who was walking leisurely on the streets. He saw a mango tree full of ripe mangoes in a house.
Why not I pluck some mangoes? I will eat some and take the rest back home. Father will become very happy to see them.
With this thought, the boy plucked many mangoes, put them in his bag and went to his home.
Father, see, I have brought so many ripe mangoes.
Where did you get so many mangoes from?
I saw a tree full of ripe mangoes in a house nearby. I plucked the mangoes from there.
So you stole the mangoes?
No, Father, nobody saw me plucking the mangoes.
Son, even if nobody is around, God is always watching us. He can see everything that we do, whether good or bad, even if nobody else is watching us.
Okay, Father, I understand. I will never steal again.
After many years, once there was a big famine in the village. There was nothing left to eat in many homes. Son, I am going in the field to cut some wheat for us. You stand here and keep an eye. If someone sees me, just alarm me so that I come back. Saying so, the father started cutting the crop. Suddenly, the son cried,
Father, someone is watching you. Father, someone is watching you.
On hearing the son's voice, the farmer came back without cutting any wheat. Son, I can't see anybody here. You said someone was watching me.
Father, you told me that even if nobody is watching us, God is always watching us. He can see all our good or bad actions.
This opened the eyes of the farmer. He was very much ashamed. He decided never to do anything wrong in his life and came back with his son.
Hope you enjoyed the story. Now I'll ask you some questions. What did the boy pluck? What did the boy pluck? Who is always watching us? What did the boy promise his father? Okay, very good. Your answers are right. See here. What did the boy pluck? Answer. The boy plucked mangoes. Second question. Who is always watching us? God. What did the boy promise his father? The answer is he means the boy promised that he won't steal again. Now we'll move to the lesson. We'll learn the lesson. Okay. What God does. The name of the lesson is What God Does. Now all of you close your book and listen carefully. I'll read the lesson. The king and the minister in the court were engaged in a conversation. The king asked the minister, "What does God do?" "Why, sir," he seemed surprised. Even a shepherd boy could answer this question. The emperor was irritated by this response. "Oh, could he? Then why don't you produce such a shepherd boy before me?" The next day, the minister brought a young shepherd to court. The emperor asked him, "What does God do, young man?" Unafraid, the village boy replied, "Is my emperor asking this question as a teacher or as a student?" The emperor was puzzled. "As a student," he replied. "Then look at the student's cheekiness," the boy stated. The student continues sitting on the throne while the teacher stands before him. Now all of you open your books. I'll read once again. What God does. The king and the minister in the court were engaged in a conversation. The king asked the minister, "What does God do?" "Why, sir," he seemed surprised. Even a shepherd boy could answer this question. The emperor was irritated by this response. "Oh, could he? Then why don't you produce such a shepherd boy before me?" The next day, the minister brought a young shepherd to court. The emperor asked him, "What does God do, young man?" Unafraid, the village boy replied, "Is my emperor asking this question as a teacher or as a student?" The emperor was puzzled. "As a student," he replied. "Then look at the student's cheekiness," the boy stated. The student continues sitting on the throne while the teacher stands before him. Now we'll learn some new words. Conversation. The meaning of the conversation is a talk, especially an informal one between two or more people. यानी गुफ्तगू, दो लोगों के बीच में जो बातचीत होती है, जो गुफ्तगू होती है, उसे हम कॉन्वर्जेशन कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज सरप्राइज्ड, अमेज्ड, एस्टोनिश्ड, हैरत ज़दा या ताज्जुब. Irritated. Irritated means impatient about something. चिड़चिड़ापन. See here. देखिए यहाँ पर इस लड़के को क्या हो रहा है, चिड़चिड़ापन आ रहा है, गुस्सा आ रहा है. ये क्या है, बहुत इरिटेटेड है. Shepherd boy, a person who rears sheep or cattle. चरवाहा, जो बकरियां चराता है उसको चरवाहा कहते हैं. Shepherd boy. See here. Okay. Emperor. Emperor means ruler or king. शहिंशाह. यहाँ पर देखिए ये कौन है, शहिंशाह है. Next one is puzzled, unable to understand. Puzzled means unable to understand. उलझा हुआ, सोच में घिरा हुआ. Next one, cheekiness means disrespectful quality, बदतमीजी. यहाँ पर देखिए ये लड़का क्या कर रहा है, इनके साथ बदतमीजी कर रहा है। चीकीनेस मीन्स disrespectful quality or बदतमीजी। Now we'll learn the lesson। हम इस लेसन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। What God does। The king and the minister in the court were engaged in a conversation। King means शहिंशाह। शहिंशाह और उसके मिनिस्टर्स यानी उसके वजीर एक गुफ्तगू में मुब्तला होते हैं। The king asked the minister, what does God do? तो किंग यानी शहिंशाह अपने वज़रा से सवाल करते हैं, what does God do? अल्लाह क्या कर रहे हैं, अल्लाह क्या कर सकते हैं। Why sir? He seemed surprised। The minister was surprised। He asked, why sir? वो वजीर क्या चौंक जाता है, सरप्राइज हो जाता है और पूछता है, क्यों सर। Even a shepherd boy could answer this question। Even a shepherd can answer to your question। वो कहता है एक चरवाहा भी इस सवाल का जवाब दे सकता है। The emperor was irritated by this response। Emperor means राजा, king, शहिंशाह। उसको क्या हो जाता है, इरिटेटेड, चिड़चिड़ापन आ जाता है। ओ कुड ही, अच्छा ऐसा है क्या। देन वाई डोंट यू प्रोड्यूस सच अ शेफर्ड बॉय बिफोर मी। तो क्यों ना तुम मेरे सामने एक शेफर्ड बॉय, एक चरवाहे को लाकर खड़ा कर दो। द नेक्स्ट डे द मिनिस्टर ब्रॉट अ यंग शेफर्ड टू कोर्ट। अगले दिन वो वजीर क्या करता है, एक यंग शेफर्ड बॉय को यानी एक चरवाहे को किंग राजा के सामने, एम्परर के सामने उसके कोर्ट में लाकर खड़ा कर देता है। द एम्परर आस्क्ड हिम। तो शहंशाह उस चरवाहे से सवाल करते हैं, व्हाट डज गॉड डू यंग मैन। अल्लाह क्या करता है, अल्लाह क्या कर सकता है बोलकर शेफर्ड बॉय से शहंशाह सवाल करते हैं। Unafraid, the village boy replied। बगैर डरे हुए, बगैर हिचकिचाहट के, तो वो शेफर्ड बॉय यानी वो लड़का सवाल करता है, Is my emperor asking this question as a teacher or as a student। तो लड़का सवाल करता है, ऐ शहंशाह आप ये सवाल मुझसे उस्ताद की तरह पूछ रहे हैं या एक शागिर्द की तरह। द एम्परर वॉज पजल्ड। एम्परर वॉज पजल्ड। वो हैरत में आ जाते हैं और जवाब देते हैं एज अ स्टूडेंट। तो एम्परर यानी शहंशाह क्या कहते हैं, मैं ये सवाल तुमसे एक शागिर्द की तरह पूछ रहा हूँ। देन लुक एट द स्टूडेंट्स चीकीनेस। चीकीनेस का मीनिंग मतलब हमने देखा था, चीकीनेस मतलब बदतमीजी। तो वो लड़का यानी जो शेफर्ड बॉय यहाँ ठहरा हुआ है वो क्या करता है, बगैर डरे हुए उनसे जब सवाल करता है तो राजा जो यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं शहंशाह, वो कहते हैं मैं एक शागिर्द की तरह तुमसे सवाल कर रहा हूँ। तो वो लड़का क्या करता है, तो एक शागिर्द की बदतमीजी देखिए। द बॉय स्टेटेड द स्टूडेंट कंटिन्यूस सिटिंग ऑन द थ्रोन। यानी एक स्टूडेंट, एक शागिर्द क्या है, थ्रोन पर बैठे हुए हैं, while the teacher stands before him। जहाँ पर एक उस्ताद ठहरे हुए हैं और शागिर्द क्या है, बैठे हुए हैं। तो नेक्स्ट इसके बाद का लेसन हम अगली क्लास में पढ़ेंगे। नेक्स्ट विल सी what will be the response of the king and what is his reaction and what will be the answer of the shepherd boy. Now we'll move to the next activity, fill the gaps. So here are some words, you have to fill the gaps. If you fill one letter, you will get a word. See here, COU-T. You have to fill the gap. You have to write the word here. Sorry, letter here. Next one is NEX dash, LO-K, ST-ND, YOU-G. Okay. Now open your notebook and write down the answers for these questions. Okay, very good. Your answers are right. Now we'll see the answers. See here, COURT. If we'll write R, we get T. We'll get coat. The answer is coat. Next one is NEX and the answer is T. If we'll write T, we'll get the answer next. NEXT. Next is LOOK. So you have to write O in this dash. So we'll get LOOK. 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 STAND. 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 YOUNG. Young. If we write N, we'll get the answer young. Now once again I'll read these answers. Coat, COURT, coat. Next, NEXT, next. Look, LOOK, look. Stand, STAND, stand. Young, YOUNG, young. Now we'll move to the next activity. Okay children, box A has some words. Pick out words which are associated with the king's court and write them in box B. So here are two boxes. So you have to read these words. First what you have to do? You have to read these words and pick the words which are related to the king's court and you have to write those words in this box. आपको क्या करना है, पहले ये वर्ड्स यहाँ पर बॉक्स ए में जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, जो अल्फाज दिए गए हैं, उन्हें पढ़ना है और किंग्स के कोर्ट से रिलेटेड जो अल्फाज है उसको बॉक्स बी में फिल करना है. सो विल रीड द वर्ड्स. पैलेस, मिनिस्टर, स्टूडेंट, टीचर, सोल्जर, सर्वेंट, कमांडर, क्वीन, प्रिंस, emperor, courtier and shepherd. Once again I'll read these words. Palace, minister, student, teacher, soldier, servant, commander, queen, prince, emperor, courtier and shepherd. Okay, you have to write the answer in your notebook as well as in your textbook also. Okay, very good. Your answers are good. Now we'll see the answer. See here answers. Palace. Palace is related to the king's court. Palace, minister, soldier, servant, commander, queen, prince, emperor and courtier. Once again I'll read this. Palace, minister, soldier, servant, commander, queen, prince, emperor and courtier. Okay, we'll move to the next activity. Rearrange the jumbled letters in meaningful words. Rearrange the jumbled letters in meaningful words. So, here are some jumbled letters. You have to rearrange these letters to get meaningful letters. Okay, see here O, D, G. You have to rearrange these letters so that we can get a word. O, D, G, O, B, Y, A, N, M, I, K, G, N, T, I, S. Copy this in your notebook and write the answers. Okay, very good. I hope you have written the answers. Now we'll check whether your answers are right or wrong. See here O, D, G. If we'll arrange these jumbled letters, we'll get G, O, D. G, O, D, God. O, B, Y. B, O, Y, boy. A, N, M. M, A, N, man. I, K, G, N. K, I, N, G, king. T, I, S. S, I, T. Now see here O, D, G. G, O, D यानी अल्लाह भगवान. O, B, Y. B, O, Y. Boy means लड़का. A, N, M. M, A, N. Man आदमी. I, K, G, N. K, I, N, G, king. राजा, शहंशाह, बादशाह. T, I, yes. Yes, I, T, sit. Sit means बैठना. Okay, now we'll move to the next activity. See here, pictures of some professionals are given in A. Fill in columns B, C and D appropriately. Clues are given below for columns B and C. So here are some pictures. In column A, there are some pictures of some professions. You have to fill these gaps. Things they use. What are the things these professionals use? Where they work. वो कहाँ पर काम करते हैं, वो क्या इस्तेमाल करते हैं, वो कहाँ पर काम करते हैं. How they help us. वो किस तरह हमारी मदद करते हैं. ये जो प्रोफेशनल्स हैं वो किस तरह हमारी मदद करते हैं. हमें थोड़े क्लूज दिए गए हैं. सी हियर ट्रैफिक सर्कल, कैमरा, क्ले, सीजर्स, व्हील, स्टूडियो, विसल, स्टेथोस्कोप, थ्रेड, टेप, हॉस्पिटल्स आर, क्लिनिक्स, पॉटर्स कॉर्नर, टेलर्स शॉप. नाउ you have to fill these gaps. You have to fill these columns in your textbook. So here are the answers. Professional, who is he? He is a doctor. Things they use. What are the things doctor use? Doctor uses scissors and stethoscope. Where they work. Where the doctor works? The doctor works in hospital or clinics. How they help us. वो किस तरह हमारी मदद करते हैं. A doctor treats patients. डॉक्टर क्या करता है, मरीजों की देखभाल करता है, ट्रीट करता है, ट्रीटमेंट देता है. See here, he is a tailor. The things tailor use, thread and tape. थ्रेड यानी हमने पहली क्लास में पढ़ा है, थ्रेड यानी धागा. टेलर्स शॉप, वेयर ही वर्क्स इन टेलर्स शॉप. हाउ दे हेल्प अस. वो किस तरह हमारी मदद करता है. ए टेलर स्टिचेस क्लोथ्स फॉर अस. टेलर दर्जी हमारे कपड़े सीता है. सी हियर, हु इज ही इज अ ट्रैफिक पुलिस. थिंग्स दे यूज, ट्रैफिक सर्कल. वो कहाँ पर ठहरा हुआ होता है, ट्रैफिक सर्कल पे ठहरा हुआ होता है. वेयर दे वर्क, सॉरी ये उल्टा हो गया है. वो व्हील और विसल इस्तेमाल करता है और वो ट्रैफिक सर्कल में ठहरा हुआ होता है. मेंटेनिंग द लॉ, वो कानून की हिफाजत करने में हमारी मदद करता है, ट्रैफिक रूल्स फॉलो करने में हमारी मदद करता है। हु इज ही? ही इज अ पॉटर। Things they use. What are the things he uses? Clay and wheel. Clay and wheel. Clay यानी मिट्टी और wheel. Potter's corner. Where they work? They work in potter's corner. They supply us earthenwares. यानी मिट्टी के बर्तन हमें बनाकर देता है। See here, he is a cameraman. What are the things he uses? He uses camera. Where he works in studio. They bring back memories. कैमरामैन क्या करता है? हमारे वीडियोस और फोटोस लेता है और हमारे मेमोरीज, हमारी अच्छी यादों को इकट्ठा करके जमा करके हमें देता है। I hope you understand this. Now we'll move on to the next activity. Teacher says, reads out these pieces of dialogues. After each piece is read, said, identify the people and the place with which these dialogues are related or associated. One example is given. यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है, थोड़े डायलॉग्स दिए हुए हैं। हमें क्या करना है? वो डायलॉग्स कहाँ पर और किन के बीच में हो रहे हैं, कौन सी जगह पर और कहाँ पर हो रहे हैं, हमें यहाँ पर लिखना है। एग्जाम्पल के लिए, मिसाल के तौर पर हमें एक मिसाल दिया गया है। सर, हाउ मच ऑफ सॉल्ट शुड आई ऐड टू दिस सॉल्यूशन? टीचर, about 2 grams. Place in a lab. People, a teacher and a student. So like this you have to write the answers here. X, what's the scheduled time of arrival? Y, 6:30 a.m. It leaves the station at 6:40 a.m. You have to write the place where this conversation is going on and in whom this conversation is going on. How long have you been suffering? Since yesterday night. Place and people. C, hey, are you not tired yet? D, no, I have been tilling just for 20 minutes. Place and people. E, where should I present the check? F, at counter 6. G, how much is this? It's ₹20 a meter. It's very fragrant. So now we'll see the answers. What's the scheduled time of arrival? Y, 6:30 a.m. It leaves the station at 6:40 a.m. Place in railway station. People, passenger and railway station master. A, how long have you been suffering? B, since yesterday night. Place in a hospital. People, doctor and patient. C, hey, are you not tired yet? D, no, I have been tilling just for 20 minutes. People in a agro field. People, farmer and labor. E, where should I present the check? F, at counter 6. Place in a bank. People, an account holder and the bank employee. G, how much is this? H, it's ₹20 a meter. It's very fragrant. Place in a cloth shop. Dealer and the customer. Okay, I hope you understand this activity. Now I will give you some homework. Complete this homework in your textbook. Complete the following table. One is done for you. The king asked the minister a question. यहाँ पर एक बॉक्स दिया गया है, यहाँ पर थोड़े सवालात पूछे गए हैं, इन्हें क्या करना है आप लोगों को घर पर ही करना है. वन इज डन फॉर यू. मिसाल के तौर पर आप लोगों को एक करके बताया गया है. द किंग आस्क्ड द मिनिस्टर ए क्वेश्चन. द किंग डिड नॉट आस्क द मिनिस्टर ए क्वेश्चन. डिड द किंग आस्क द मिनिस्टर अ क्वेश्चन? डिडंट द किंग आस्क द मिनिस्टर अ क्वेश्चन? Second one, the emperor was irritated by this response. The minister brought a young shepherd to court. The emperor took the shepherd's cloak. The minister looked at the emperor. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Now we'll continue the lesson in next session. Thank you. Myself Kashifa Anjum, Government Urdu HPS, Ashapur Road, Raichur. Thank you.
ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ.